So after coming out of the bush and getting my gear all put away, everything's all nice and safe, locked up. I also then press my spot message right here, and it shows that I am now out and that I'm okay to the people that I assigned it to. And once it gets to there, the message has been sent. Also, I'm putting my bear spray away in the proper container. You don't want this going off in the car, so there's actually a proper container to put it in while you're transporting. What a beautiful day. Didn't get anything, but it's just a great day getting out in the woods and getting some exercise. You can see now that my message has been sent. As soon as I get in cell phone coverage, I'll show you the text, which has been sent to myself and to other people, assigned to the spot, that I have successfully come out without any issues. I was saying, now my spot sent an email now is out at this location, so spot's working pretty good. It sent an email and a cell phone message, so there you go.